In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elevenlabs for free, and we'll cover everything you need to know in just 5 minutes. Let's dive into how this powerful tool can be leveraged to create seamless text-to-speech content without spending a dime. To start, you'll need to go to the Elevenlabs website. A simple search should bring you straight there, or you can type the URL directly if you already have it saved. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to sign up for a free account. If you already have one, feel free to log in instead. During the sign-up process, you'll be asked to provide some basic information like your email and to set a password. Once you're signed in, you're ready to explore the features available at no cost. Now, it's important to understand what the free plan offers and its limitations. Typically, with free accounts, services like Elevenlabs have certain caps on monthly usage to maintain the quality and availability of their services. Being aware of these limits can help you plan your projects more efficiently. Make sure to read through any updates or notifications from Elevenlabs to be informed about what the free plan includes during your usage period. Once you've got a handle on the account setup and usage limitations, you'll want to head over to the text-to-speech section. This is where the magic happens. Here you can choose from a variety of default voices that are readily available. If you've spent some time with the platform already, you might even have a custom voice set up that you're comfortable using. Picking the right voice is crucial for delivering the message you want in the tone you envision. Now it's time to enter the text you want to convert to speech. Keep in mind that the length and content of the text may need to adhere to the free plan's guidelines. Preparing your text in advance can save you time and ensure smooth execution. Once your text is ready and uploaded, look over the details one last time for any errors or needed adjustments. When you're satisfied, click Generate to start the conversion process. Elevenlabs does a pretty good job of quickly producing the audio file. After the audio has been generated, you'll want to download it. This step ensures you have a copy on your local device that you can use whenever and wherever you need it. And here's a pro tip. Reuse your previously generated audio when possible. By saving and using what you've already created, you can avoid hitting your usage limits prematurely. Also, respecting the terms of service is crucial to maintaining your account. Make sure that your usage is compliant with their policy. Lastly, if you find yourself running out of usage, remember that your limits will reset monthly, giving you more opportunities to create content. This step-by-step process should now empower you to make the most out of Elevenlabs without spending a penny. Enjoy generating high-quality audio and bringing your text to life effortlessly.